A new report from Governor Hochul shows that gun violence in New York is dropping. Governor Kathy Hochul recently releasing new data relating to shootings in New York State. And as our Capitol correspondent Jamie DeLine starts us off tonight, the numbers seem to be heading in the right direction.
Shootings in New York have decreased from 2021 to 2022, according to recently released state data.
Down 17% in New York City, 15% in the rest of the upstate cities.
According to the governor, those numbers are already improving this year, with the state seeing a reduction closer to pre-pandemic levels.
You know, the data doesn't lie. We are seeing gun violence decrease in the city and in the state.
Shefali Welch with Moms Demand Action for Gun Sense in America says that doesn't mean we should relax.
We still need to be vigilant. But as I mentioned, New York has the second strongest gun laws in the country, and that data is proving out now that we're seeing in the impact across the state.
Murders in the state also saw a decline in 2022 versus 2021.
When we compare ourselves to other states on the homicides, New York State's homicide rate is almost 2 times lower than the national average. That is significant.
However, the new data shows other serious crimes such as car thefts have gone up. The governor is proposing $337 million in the budget to reduce and prevent gun violence, something Welch applauds.
Community violence intervention programs, Jamie, if you don't know, have been shown to significantly reduce gun violence. And we look forward to seeing these funds serve communities most impacted by this public health crisis.
Moms Demand Action would like to see bills such as fair access to victim compensation and a tax on ammunition get passed by the state legislature this year. Reporting in Albany, I'm Jamie DeLine.
All right, thanks, Jamie. And we here at 18 News wanted to dig a little deeper into the governor's crime stats for New York State and found a pretty surprising trend. Our 18 News reporter Nick Dabina joins us live in studio with more on that. Nick, good evening.
Good evening, Jackie. Out of 62 counties in New York State, this report only shows data from 17 of them. And the information is coming from 20 police departments who participate in the state's GIVE program, which stands for Gun-Involved Violence Elimination. While Governor Hochul is highlighting a year-to-year decline in gun violence, taking a look at the last 5 years provides more context. From 2021 to 2022, shootings involving injury declined 15%, from 1,230 to 1,045. But since 2017, the average number of shootings is actually up 14%. The number of people killed by gun violence declined 6% year to year, from 215 to 203. But over the last 5 years, that number is up 31%. And while murders in New York State are down 11% year to year, from 884 to 790, since 2017, murders are actually up 43%. Now, no counties in our area participate in the GIVE initiative that reports gun violence incidents. Today, we also asked the Elmira Police Department to provide us with the updated numbers on gun violence in Elmira. So far, we have not heard back. Jackie?
All right, thanks, Nick. And if you want to take a look at those numbers yourself, we'll have a link to that report over on our website, mytwintiers.com.